Why do hardworking people stay broke? Not because they lack effort, but because they lack the right vehicle. Let me ask you something honestly. If you stop working for 30 days, what happens to your income? Because that answer is your current financial reality. Most people think they need more time, but that's not the real problem. You don't need more time, you need a better vehicle because the right vehicle multiplies your time. See, effort is common, but leverage is very rare, and income follows leverage. Most people trade time for money, but a few people learn how to multiply through systems, and that changes everything. If your income depends only on you, you don't have a business. You have a job wearing a better title. Let me ask you again. If you stop working for 30 days, what happens to your income? The answer should not stay your reality because today there are systems, there are ecosystems where your effort can continue to pay you even when you are not working. So the real question is not is this opportunity good? The real question is your current vehicle taking you where you want to go? Think about that. And if you are someone who is open to exploring a better vehicle, a system where your effort doesn't just pay you once but has the potential to pay you again and again, where business is built through visibility, connection, and leverage, then let's have a conversation. I'll share the details with you and you can decide if it fits you. Just message me or comment ready and I will guide you step by step.